Wow, the paint job made it fly great. Here at the field, what do you have in your hand?
Radar gun.
Radar gun. Well, we're gonna try it. We're gonna try the radar gun. And what do we have here? What's different about the Mirage?
You painted it.
I painted it, finally. This is a 5-minute paint job here of the 70 millimeter. And
Mirage 2000.
I don't know if you can see inside there, but I replaced the EDF with a with a lower powered version. This is an Amazon special. Sorry, excuse me. EDF, and it's got a lot less power. It's got but it's lighter, and the whole thing is lighter. The ESC is smaller, and I'm hoping that I just get a better overall flight experience. The batteries were getting killed, the 4S batteries with the bigger motor. So I decided to, I don't know, just try to maybe balance it out a little bit. So this thing, I think it makes 3.5 pounds of thrust, and I think this is like a 2-pounder. So well, actually I got to do a little quick run up on. Let's see if we got. It's got good thrust.
Daddy, look.
154. You have it on kilometers per hour. Did you change something?
No.
What is that?
Well, I was pressing this.
All right, we can try and fix that once I land this thing, because I'm all ready to throw it, okay? So let's give it a throw and see how this new power unit works. What?
I think now I fixed it.
You fixed it? It's supposed to be MPH, miles per hour. Oh yeah. Oh wow.
Wait, did you say MPH?
Yeah.
It's KPH.
Yeah, it's supposed to be MPH. Wow, the paint job made it fly great. Okay, so it doesn't have as much get up and go as the other one, but
look, it says MPH right here.
okay.
Look.
Hold on, bud. I'm trying to film the plane. And I'm trying to fly. Watch out, Tyler. Way more quiet. It is hovering. Watch out, Tyler. Get out of there. You got to stand behind me, okay? But it flies great. Nothing really to say about it. I actually, okay, so it's fun to hot rod it with the hold on, bud. Let me tell these guys my thoughts, okay? It's fun to hot rod it with the big motor, and yes, it flew crazy fast and it had a lot of punch, but always worrying about your battery dying, and this thing is more, it's way more graceful and tracks
74.
What? Oh, is it still KPH?
Yes.
Okay, try it again.
It's not. But when I do it again, it says MPH and then disappears and then it's KPH. I can't fix it.
Okay. I'll fix it for you between flights, okay? All right, let's do some minimum radius turns. I just love the way this thing flies with the lighter weight power unit. It's more fun. Ooh. I'm gonna check the battery because I don't know what this 70 millimeter is doing. Ooh. I was carrying a lot of speed there. Okay, I'm gonna cut this here.
Sorry.
Okay, second flight, 1800 4S.
There's a German Shepherd going home over there.
Yeah. Okay, let's get another flight in with the new paint job. It is a little more fun to fly a painted, because
You Because then it looks like more real.
It looks better. Yeah. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna go straight up. Got grass on the servo.
There's grass on the servo still.
I know. Doesn't really affect the flight that much. It's got decent power. It's got a good power to weight ratio. I think you really don't need to go crazy. Amazon 70 millimeter.
I didn't get the radar up this time.
The 64 is a little bit more nimble. The 64 is a little bit lighter flying, and I think I might be onto something with that. I really feel that the 64.
It was 27.
Oh, that was good. Yeah, that was about 27. You want to do a fast one?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
I didn't get the radar that one.
Every time I do a fast one, you don't get it.
Do a fast one.
All right, ready? Ready, and click it.
Didn't get anything.
What?
It was on 4 miles an hour.
Nice loop.
Finally, I got it.
What was it?
53.
53.
Yeah.
Woo! That was close.
I think the wing might have snipped that a little bit.
I honestly think maybe the battery's going.
I'm gonna want you to do a fast one then.
Here I come.
It was 51.
Yeah, that's about right. Not the fastest jet.
Landing. I'm gonna see where it lands. The bat didn't go to anything because when it was landing, it didn't really have any power.
I'm gonna put a 2200 in here and see what that does. Okay, we gotta move quick because the GoPro has 12% battery. I just put a 2200
Inside it.
yeah, and I try to stuff it back as far as possible.
Like you tried to stuff it like right here.
Right back here, and it's still got some Velcro on it. Hopefully the Velcro holds so it doesn't fly into the fan blades.
Jet.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna throw it up. Ready? Okay, 2200 flies literally the same as the 1800 because it has more capacity. So it's a little bit, tiny bit more nose heavy.
A loopy loop would help it.
At least I'm gonna get another like 30 seconds out of this one though.
Do a loopy loop.
There's a stall loop, kind of like a barrel roll loop.
Yeah, kind of. That was a little bit fail.
A little bit of a fail, he says. Ready for a loop?
Yeah. That was a good one. That was a good loop, Daddy.
I'm gonna be honest. I kind of like the 64.
Daddy, that was a good loop.
I'm sure you guys have some crazy 70 millimeters that you want to put in.